How do we know the difference between using an in front of a word or a? Take a look at these examples. Dog begins with a consonant letter, so we would use a in front of dog, and we would say a dog. Eagle begins with a vowel, so we use an eagle. Let's look at more examples. Cat begins with a consonant, the letter C, so we say a cat. House begins with another consonant, H, a house. And run begins with a consonant R, a run. Now, if we were to add anything in front of these words, cat, house, and run, that would change whether we use a or an. The word ugly in front of cat begins with a vowel, the vowel U. So now we need to say an ugly cat. The word orange in front of house begins with the vowel O, so we say an orange house. Exhausting begins with the vowel E, an exhausting run. So as you can see, it's the word next to an or a that determines which one you use. Let's take a look at another example. In these examples, we are using an in front of these words. So eagle begins with the vowel E, so we would say an eagle. An apple, because apple begins with the vowel A. And an umbrella, because umbrella begins with the vowel U. So very similar to our previous example, the same rule applies. If I say the eagle is bald, now bald begins with a consonant. I need to say a bald eagle. If I want to say the apple is red, even though apple begins with a vowel, red begins with a consonant. So we use a red apple. And lastly, if the umbrella is wet, wet begins with a consonant, so we say a wet umbrella. So remember, this only applies when we're talking about singular items, like one apple, one pen. We need to decide if we're going to use the word a or an. The easiest way to remember this is to notice the word if it begins with a vowel or a consonant. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and our consonants are all the rest of the letters in the alphabet. If the word begins with a vowel, we use the word an. If the word begins with a consonant, we use a. Remember this when you are writing. Thank you for watching. This is 10 Minutes with Ms. Campos.